Hi, today for the new Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. Let's first open the settings and then scroll down to additional settings. Here you'll see the screen recorder, tap on it and just tap to sound source. Now we could use the system sounds, the medias, the calls. If you want to use the microphone, just switch it to microphone, for example, to command something. Also, we could just record the mood videos. Also, we got one more way how we could activate the screen recorder settings. Just first open the control panel and find screen recorder icon. Just hold for a while this icon, and by the same way you could change the screen recorder sound settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.